Yo, 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 what is up, my Poke Peeps? Just want to do a little video for you guys before I forget again. I'm pretty busy rearranging the room. I have the 4x4 shelvings coming in from Target and stuff like that. So just waiting. I actually already got both of them, but one of them had a crack on one side, so I had to send that back and then wait for the replacement. So yeah, the room is a mess, but hopefully next week or by this weekend should be up to par, rearranging everything. But let's go ahead and do a little mystery pack opening. This is one of the packs from Walgreens. It does come with one TCG booster, 30 cards, 2 foils, and a bonus. I actually saw this for the first time at Walgreens. Yeah. And then packaged by the Fairfield company. So, or what Leonhardt liked to say, the unfairfield company. Because I don't know how fair it is if they're putting stuff in there. So it looks like most of the cards are facing the other way. So we'll do those cards first. Oh, no. They're all facing different directions. So we'll try to put these ones in the back. And then put these ones in the front, since you already saw those. Try to keep the mystery to the best of our ability. So here we go. Right off the bat, Fletchender, Dino. So this is a little bit older. A rare Wormadam. What year is this? 2007. Here we go. Meltan. Bronzor, Porygon, Trainer, Fairy Garden, Pokeball. Now we have upside down. So Esper, Turffield Stadium again, or the other one was Fairy, not Turffield. How many are upside down? All the way to here, possibly. Kind of crappy how they did that. Mawile, Cubone, Phantom, Gothorita, Passimian, Sizzlipede, Shiinotic, Scraggy, Shelmet, Clink, Fire Energy. I always forget what that Charizard is for. Metal Energy, Lightning Energy, Dark Energy, Fire Energy, Fire again, Fighting Energy, Lightning. Our reverse is Sinistea and Hitmonlee. And then we have upside down stuff again. So pretty rare, not too common anymore, is the Fairy Energies, Lightning Energy. And the last one is Rockruff Uncommon. So, don't know, not sure what the bonus was, unless it was the Rockruff, but the 2 foil cards is the Sinistea and the Hitmonlee. Then, let's go here. And open up our Evolving Skies. Go cold card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think I've gotten anything too crazy from this one, but we'll go with water. Oh, dark. Shopping Center. Herdier. Pyroar. Bagon. Litleo. Teddiursa. Lotad. Cryogono. The reverse is Ursaring and non-holo rare Pinsir, but it is a single strike, so I mean that's kind of cool. But there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. As always, we'll see you next time. Peace.